Hey, how's it going, everyone? Hope you all had a great day today. I'm going to go over today's intraday order flow as well as today's daily plan. So if you are unfamiliar with what you're looking at, this is a footprint chart linked to the home of this YouTube channel. I have a video on how I have my specific footprint charts configured, right? Footprint charts, order flow charts are very, very customizable. If you just do a quick Google search, you'll see there's so many different ways you could have them. So this is how I have mine configured. So let's get on with the makings of the daily plan. I just want to say thank you to everyone who follow on StockTwits. As you can see, hit 600 followers does mean a lot, and as well as leaving a like and subscribing here on YouTube. So yesterday's daily plan highlighted the high of day, right? And today's, as of right now, is highlighting the low of day. There's multiple plays, and we'll get into that in a little bit. So creating daily plan, step one, as I always do, is going to my TPO chart or time price opportunity chart. These are market profiles, and they have to do with time rather than price, as most charts do. And as I always say, as this person is now going to confirm, I just started learning the TPO. Definitely valuable info that not many look at. That wasn't it, but what I mean to say is that it's very, very easy to learn, and it's quick. It's pretty simple. You just take a glance at it, and you know the info that you need. This is what I was talking about. So I asked them, do you agree with me that it is actually pretty simple? Definitely simpler than what it looks like, right? It is very, very simple. It's part of the introductory series. It's a smaller part of it since it is pretty simple. In the room, we have a whole series on the footprint, how to read it, TPO, and like market auction theory, all of the things that go into my actual trading. So from the TPO, we go over here to the 4-hour footprint, and I just analyze the same thing I do with the TPO. I go in here, I mark up everything that I'm seeing, and I'll send it out into the Discord room. Then we go to the daily chart, and I do the exact same thing. And then after that, I post a video on our website going over the daily plan, the reasoning for the levels, what obviously did I see from the footprint, from the TPO, things like that. The current market structure, do we have an aggressive bid, aggressive offer? Is one of these sides a little bit more passive? Is one side jumping up or down on the tape? A whole bunch of things like that. I explain in the daily plan review, we call it, and members, if they have questions, they could ask them, I'll answer them there. So of course, here is the daily plan. I believe that was it. So what's time frame? Let's pull up a 5-minute. I feel like it's been a while since we looked at a 5-minute here. So the first touch, if we come over here, is very nice. So I mean, it's pretty clear. We've moved, I believe, around 30 points, if not a little bit more, on the E-mini, which is what we trade here. It's $1,500 a contract. Now, not that we caught the entire move, or not that everyone caught the entire move. There's different ways to play this. So, in the introductory series, I explain how and what I look for on the footprint on different time frames for me to actually get an entry with minimal risk. And you can see right here on the retracement of it, we got 2 0 prints. We have this area building volume, one little stop run, as you can see, this thin volume node collecting these stops, and then another 15 points or so, maybe a little less than that, 12 point or so trade right there. Oh, get rid of my pen. And to right now, right, it is 12:04 market time, and this level is continuing to provide opportunity. Is there anything I'm missing out? What else should we take a look at? How about the daily footprint? There we are. So this is obviously the transaction volume on the day, and we can see right now the makings of a B-shaped profile. Don't love the end, right? There's no exhaustion. I want to see exhaustion, right? We're still transacting 33. 29,000 contracts towards the lows, so people are still happy to transact down here. Now when we look over here at the 4 hour, not the first 4 hour, but the most recent 4 hour, we do have exhaustion here. Little tips and tricks: when I want to be long, I'm looking for these B-shaped profiles. When I'm looking for shorts, I want a P-shaped profile. I guess we could pull up the TPO as well. And we're definitely B-ish shaped here as well. So just a quick overview of the order flow and the daily plan. So I hope you all, again, had a green day today. Tomorrow is Friday, right? Yeah. And we have NFP. So looking forward to it, and I'll see you guys in the next YouTube recap.